Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to back up of your iPhone and you're unable to do that, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to simply open the settings app and then tap on your profile or your Apple ID or your name here and then select iCloud and here select iCloud backup. And here, if you are unable to back up your device, you can see I can enable or I can get backup of on my device. Simply tap on backup no option and the backup will be started. Or if you are unable to do that, you just have to disable this toggle. Simply tap on turn off. Just wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds, then enable it again. It will make a refresh with all of your iCloud settings. So once you have enable it or turn it on, it will take up to 10 to 15 seconds, so you must have to wait for it. And once you have enabled, it will almost fix your issue. You can now get backup of your data on your iPhone. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so try to remove anything from your iCloud. So it might be your storage issue on your iCloud. Simply tap on save to iCloud option and you will get anything you have saved on your iCloud. So if your iCloud storage has been full, you can see I have enough storage in my iCloud. I can do backup on my iPhone. But if you are getting that the storage is full in your iCloud, so you have to get more storage in your iPhone by upgrading your iCloud, or you can try to delete anything from here. And once you have done, got the storage, you have to simply go to iCloud backup and you can this time back up your device. Or if you're still facing the same issue that you cannot back up your iPhone or anything you want to back up, so you have to try a simple method. You just have to sign out your Apple ID from here, and once you have signed out, you have to re-sign in with the same Apple ID, or you can use a different Apple ID which you want. And once you have re-signed in, it will fix your issues. In this way, you can easily fix if you cannot get backup on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.